Okay, a toy train costs $28 more than a door, right? Each door costs $7. So if you know that each one door costs $7, how much does a toy train cost? $35, right? Okay, so now let's summarize the information here. We have a train and we got a door, and we know that the train costs $28 more than a door. Okay, and this is $7. So this is for one toy train and one door. Okay, that's what we can understand from the first sentence, right? Okay, now let's look at the second sentence. Mr. Lim bought 40 more doors than toy trains. However, he paid $1,260 lesser for the toys. That's right, lesser for the doors than for the toy trains. Right, it makes sense, right? Because toy trains are more expensive. So even though you buy fewer toy trains, okay, you buy fewer toy trains, it will still cost more expensive. Correct? So now, from this we can draw another model. So to show that he paid more for the toy trains. So this is for the trains, this is for doors, and we know that he actually paid $1,260 more. Correct? Okay? Although in this case there's 40 more doors. Right? Yes? Although it's, in this case there's more doors, but he actually paid more for the toy trains. Okay, so now what should we do next, Jack? When you say I should make it the same, what do you mean? Which one are the things that So I must have equal number of toy trains and doors, right? So I need to subtract off the cost of the 40 more doors. Okay, I will need to have equal number. Okay, equal number, right, of trains and doors. So since the trains did not change, it will still be like this, 1,260, right? But now I need to remove the cost of the 40 doors. Okay, how much does 40 doors cost, Ernest? $40 times $7, right? What do you get? Are you sure you need to use a calculator for this? $280. These are simple calculations which you do not need to rely on a calculator. Okay, so this is $280. So now, Wendy, can you tell me what should I do next? Draw the model for the door. So how should I draw it? Can you describe to me how should I draw it? Shorter than the first one. Okay, shorter than the first one. Okay, this is shorter than the first one. Now, Leroy, explain to me why must it be shorter? You are taking away, you are removing the 40 more doors, right? Correct? So when you remove away the 40 more doors, the extra doors, okay, so Now, from here to here, what is the value, Sky? $280. Yes? Okay? So, now, you can see that the difference actually increased, 280 plus 1260. But do we know the number of doors and trains? We do not know, right? We only know that one train is more expensive than one door by $28. Yes or no? Okay, now, Clarence, tell me what's the next step. Huh? Okay, stop there. So the next step, I add up the difference, right? Okay. I'll change it. Okay, so 1260. So what do I get? 1,540. So $1,540 is actually from here to here, right? So this is 1,540. $1,540. Okay. Now, Jingjie, tell me what should I do next? You're not going to have a nervous breakdown here, right? Just tell me the next step is like, just say out, that's all. Very simple. Just say out in English. You don't need to give me some Korean language or whatsoever you're learning outside. Okay? Elliot, tell me. Hey, please stop. I'm listening to Elliot. $1,540 divide by $28. So what do I get? Sorry? 55. Now, 55. 55, right? Okay, now 55. Yun Chong, tell me what does 55 stands for? The what? The amount of toys in total. Hey, please. You are very noisy. I cannot hear him. I don't understand what you're talking about. 55. You mean there's only 55 toys in the second model? So you're saying there's 55 what? So do you agree with him? He said that there's this 55 stands for 55 trains and 55 doors. Do you agree? No. For the second model, it's 55 trains and 55 doors, right? Okay. So now, okay. So I know that. Please listen to what he said clearly here. I have 55 here and I've got 55 here. Yes? Okay. So, how many toy trains did he buy, Daryl? Hmm? 55 or 95? No, I'm asking him the answer. Is it 55 or 95? What did I ask for? Are you sure I asked for how many toy trains did he buy, or did I ask for how many doors did he buy? So which one do you ask? Huh? Did I ask for toy trains or did I ask for doors? Toy trains. Beyond, how many doors are there? Actual and model, what's the diff? Five less? What 5 less? So how many doors are there? How many doors did he buy? How do you get 95? 55 plus 40. Okay. So we know the first part. The first part is actually 55 because they're asking for toy trains, right? So first part is 55. So there's a A part. It's 55. And also there's a B part which we haven't solved yet. Okay, let's go to the B part. How much did he pay for all the toys? Okay, so since I know that there are 55 trains, okay, so you know, my patience does not run forever. I'm not going to say again. You must know when to be serious and when to joke around. Okay? If you do not know, something is wrong. So when I do a 55 times $35, what does it mean? Yes, Clarence? The total cost of the trains. But I want to have all the toys. So what should I add? What should I add? Well, Yongqian, tell me. What should I add? Sorry, 7 times 95 doors, each causing $7. Can you all work out for me? 2,590. Okay, part B is 2,590. Remember to write down the units. 2,590.